Hello children, today we are going to install Python in your Windows machine. Here you go to download and then you go to the last version of Python 3. You hit it download and here in this area you can see that Python is already in my machine. If you hit show all, you're going to see here that now the installed product is in my machine. If I show it in the folder, I can see it here and I just hit the left button of my mouse and run as administrator to install Python in my machine. I can hit here and say yes, and then I can install customized installation to install it in a disk that I want to install. Here I can select the D disk to install it in the D disk and I hit install and that's it. I have Python in my machine. We need to wait that the installation process just finish. There we go. We close the setup process and now your machine have Python.